What's up guys? Welcome to my morning routine for school. So I'm starting off by waking up to my alarm, or sometimes I'll wake up a little bit before it goes off, and then I'll check my phone for a few minutes before getting out of bed to go into the bathroom to start getting ready for the day. I'll start off by putting my hair up into a ponytail so it's out of my face, and then I will start my skincare routine, so washing my face and then using toner and moisturizer. And by the way, if you guys want to see my full skincare routine of everything that I do, then be sure to go watch my last video if you haven't already. I basically show you everything I do to keep my skin clear and free of breakouts. So I can see clearly, I'll put in my contacts and then I'll go back into my room to make my bed, or at least throw it together so it looks decent throughout the day. Then it's time for my makeup. So it kind of varies what I do each day and how much makeup I put on, but I thought that I would show you guys a little overview of what I do most days. So I'll start off by using the Juice Beauty Phyto Pigments Correcting Concealer in the shade Cream. Now I will set my concealer with some powder. Lately I've been using the Everyday Minerals base and then their setting powder afterwards. As for eyeshadow, I've been using a Maybelline palette, and I'll just put a lighter color on my lid, and then I'll do a darker shade and a little darker shade after that in the crease of my eye. Every once in a while, I'll put on some eyeliner as well, and the one I've been using is from Pacifica. I will apply some mascara and fill in my brows with my brow pomade gel from, I don't know what brand, but if I do know, I'll put it on the screen. I don't think I know. By the way, the mascara that I've been using is the Maybelline Lash Falsies mascara, and it's really amazing. I love how it makes my eyelashes look. And then I'll finish off with some Burt's Bees lipstick. Then, if I haven't already, I will get dressed. So for today's outfit, I was wearing a cable knit sweater from H&M, some jeans from American Eagle Outfitters, and a flannel jacket thing over it that is also from American Eagle Outfitters. And I was just rolling up my sleeves here, and then I put on some perfume that I don't remember the brand name, but that'll also be on the screen. It smells like roses. So then I'm just tucking in my sweater so it looks a little better with the outfit, and then I'm off to the kitchen to get some breakfast. I used to not really drink coffee that often, but lately I've been drinking it most days. So I will just make my coffee and then add in some caramel syrup as well as some almond milk, or sometimes I'll use some almond milk creamer if we have that. It always varies with what I have for breakfast, but today I was having some bagels with cream cheese and some apple slices. And of course, I have to check my phone while I'm eating to catch up on all the social medias that I haven't looked at yet. So yeah, if you guys want to follow me on my Instagram or Twitter, I will have those on the screen. My Instagram is Kaylee_Elise, and my Twitter is KayleeElise_. Now I'll brush my teeth and then head into my room to start doing school, or if it's a weekend, I will start filming or editing. Since it was a school day, I started doing my schoolwork and taking notes, all of that stuff. And for those of you who are asking, I do the K-12 online school program. I imagine you waiting by my doorstep. But it won't be long. I really hope you enjoyed the video. And by the way, if you guys didn't see my previous video, I actually came out with a jewelry line partnering with Love Gems. It was lots of fun doing the whole line. I'm very excited about it. I'm actually wearing one of the pieces right now, and there's two other items as well in the line. So if you guys want to go check it out and maybe get something, I'll have a link in the description box below. Oh, and also I do have a vlog channel. I'm posting a lot of fun vlogs there. It'll be in the description box and at the end of the video that you can click on. But yeah, I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!